This is a Canadian WhatsApp account running without a physical SIM card. It cost me less than $3 to set up, and in the next minute, I'll show you exactly how to do it. I've tested this method multiple times and it's still working. Most people make one mistake that gets their number blocked instantly, and I'll show you how to avoid it in this video. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, download and install a fresh copy of WhatsApp on your phone. You can get it from either the Play Store or the App Store. Once that's done, head over to this website and create a free account. I'll reveal the name of the platform later in the video, so make sure you follow every step carefully. After creating your account, you will be taken to this dashboard. This platform offers several services, including social media growth tools, affordable data purchases, and much more. To get your virtual number, you will need to fund your wallet. Simply click on the deposit button. You'll see an account number. Copy it, make a transfer from your banking app, and the funds will be credited to your balance automatically. As you can see, I currently have 2,555 Naira in my account, which is more than enough for this tutorial. Now, here is the most important part. Click on SMS Verification. From the drop-down menu, select Server A. Next, choose your target country. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting Canada. Then select the service you want to verify. As you can see, there are several options available, including PayPal, Telegram, TikTok, and many others. For this tutorial, we'll be choosing WhatsApp. Once you've selected WhatsApp, click Buy SMS Verification. Your Canadian number will be generated instantly. Copy the number and return to WhatsApp. Tap on the country selection field, search for Canada, paste the number you copied, and click Next. WhatsApp will now ask for a verification code. This is where many people make a mistake. Instead of requesting the code multiple times, simply go back to the website and click Request OTP SMS once. When the code appears, copy it and paste it into WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully created a Canadian WhatsApp account. You can now send messages, make voice calls, and use WhatsApp just like any regular account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. The name of the platform is Socially, and you'll find the link in the video description below. Now that you've successfully created a Canadian WhatsApp account, the next step is learning how to create a US Telegram account using a similar method. Click on the next video on your screen right now and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.